Once praised as the gold standard for mid-sized trucks, the Toyota Tacoma has enjoyed years of dominance, thanks to its reputation for toughness, reliability, and off-road credibility. But now, that unshakable image is starting to crack. In today's video, we're diving deep into the 5 major issues that Toyota likely doesn't want you to know about. Issues that are seriously threatening the Tacoma's legendary status. From engineering blunders to growing competition and economic trouble, the tide may finally be turning. This is Revved Up Riches. Let's break down what's really going on with the Tacoma. One brake hose, recall, a hidden safety risk. Let's begin with a serious safety issue that's led to one of the largest recalls in recent Tacoma history. In mid-2024, Toyota was forced to recall over 106,000 Tacomas after discovering that certain brake lines were dangerously close to the inner tire wall. The issue? A tight design with 16-inch rear brakes paired with 17-inch wheels, leaving little space for debris to escape. In off-road conditions, mud and grit could build up, slowly grinding down the brake hose, potentially causing leaks and compromising your braking power without warning. Even though only about 1% of trucks might experience this issue, Toyota chose to recall all affected units, offering a no-cost fix. Still, this wasn't just a bad part, it was an engineering oversight, and it's shaken consumer trust in the brand's attention to detail. 2 transmission woes, modern tech, old problems. Next up, the new 8-speed automatic transmission, a major update that was supposed to improve efficiency and smooth out performance. Instead, it introduced a new set of headaches. Owners have reported sluggish shifts, gear slipping, and even complete transmission failure. And the culprit? Microscopic metal shavings left behind during manufacturing. These particles gunked up the system and disrupted gear engagement. Toyota did not issue a full recall. Instead, they rolled out a technical service bulletin and quietly repaired units that tripped specific error codes. But many frustrated owners say their trucks didn't qualify for the fix despite experiencing real symptoms. Bottom line, this isn't just a rare fluke, it's a sign of inconsistencies in Toyota's once bulletproof quality control. 3 front differential failure, rock crawlers. Beware, you'd expect a Tacoma to conquer off-road trails with ease, especially in rock crawl mode, with the rear differential locked and 4-wheel drive engaged. But some owners found that their front differentials were failing under extreme load, a troubling pattern for a truck designed for rugged use. Toyota investigated and discovered that torque levels were exceeding design specs by 1.7% during certain driving conditions. That small number turned into a big problem, enough to cause premature wear or outright failure in demanding terrain. The fix? A software patch to redistribute torque more effectively. It's a clever workaround, but it doesn't erase the fact that the original hardware was not engineered for what Toyota promised. 4. Build quality issues. What happened to Toyota's standards? Toyota used to be known for rock-solid construction and flawless fit and finish. But owners of the newest Tacoma model are spotting a lot more flaws right off the showroom floor. Some common complaints: misaligned windshield cowls, loose plastic trim, crooked bed liners, creaky dashboards, panels that simply don't fit right. These might sound like small details, but they add up fast, especially for buyers paying a premium for what they thought was top-tier craftsmanship. More concerning is the wind and road noise some drivers experience at highway speeds, often due to poor sealing around doors, mirrors, and windows. Some have turned to aftermarket solutions just to make their brand new trucks tolerable. This isn't the Toyota people remember. And for a name that once meant overbuilt and underpriced, that's a real letdown. 5. Sales slide and tariff trouble. The bigger picture. Even with these issues, the Tacoma still leads the mid-sized truck seg for now. But the numbers don't lie. In 2024, Toyota sold 193,000 Tacomas, down 18% from the year before. Meanwhile, GM's mid-sized trucks, like the Colorado and Canyon, saw a 50% sales increase, closing the gap fast. And now, Toyota is facing a financial threat that could make things worse. New U.S. tariffs. Because the new Tacoma is built entirely in Mexico, it could soon be hit with a 25% import duty. That could jack up prices by as much as $3,000, a massive hit to the truck's affordability. Unless Toyota finds a way to offset those costs, like bringing production back to the U.S., the Tacoma might lose more ground in the coming years. Final thoughts. Can Toyota turn it around? The Toyota Tacoma isn't going away anytime soon, but it isn't untouchable anymore. With engineering missteps, quality control concerns, drivetrain problems, and economic headwinds, Toyota is facing pressure from every angle. The brand will need to act fast, not just to preserve the Tacoma's legacy, but to stay ahead in a competitive market that's quickly evolving. Will Toyota rise to the challenge or let rivals like Ford and GM take the crown? Only time will tell. Outrow, call to action. Thanks for watching Revved Up Riches. If this video opened opened your eyes or saved you time and money, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss the latest deep dives into the auto world. Got experience with a Tacoma? Good or bad? Drop your story in the comments below. We want to hear from real truck owners. Until next time, stay smart, drive safe, and keep it revved up.